In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks to Airtable. We'll use a no-code automation platform called Make to link the two, so your accounting data and your Airtable records can stay in sync without manual copy-pasting. I'll walk you through the essential clicks and explain what you're seeing along the way so you feel confident setting this up. Start by heading to the Make website and logging into your account. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard for your organization. If you manage multiple workspaces or regions, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. A quick note here. Make works best in a modern browser, and if you use single sign-on or two-factor authentication, have that ready. Having access to both your QuickBooks and Airtable accounts is important, because Make may ask you to authorize them later in the process. From the dashboard, open the section labeled Connections. This area is where Make centrally manages the secure links to your apps and services. Think of it as your control room for authorizations. You don't have to create or edit anything just yet. Simply opening this page helps you confirm that your organization allows the connections you plan to use and that you have the right permissions. If your team has specific security policies, this is also a good time to verify you're following them. Next, open the Scenario Builder. This is the visual canvas where you design automations in Make. You'll see an empty workspace with a toolbar and a place to add modules. Scenarios in Make are built like flowcharts. You place modules for each app and define how data moves between them. There's nothing to configure right now. The goal is to get into the builder so you can add the apps you want to connect. Once the canvas is open, click the plus icon to add your first module and use the search to find QuickBooks and Airtable. The plus icon opens a library of available modules. Searching for QuickBooks will reveal options related to customers, invoices, bills, and more, while Airtable modules let you work with bases, tables, and records. At this stage, you're simply identifying the two services you intend to use. If Make later prompts you to sign into either app, that's expected and ensures your data is accessed securely. That's all you need to get the connection started in Make. You've reached the right workspace, confirmed where connections live, opened the Scenario Builder, and located the QuickBooks and Airtable modules you'll use. From here, you'll be ready to design a workflow that fits your exact business needs.